Hey guys, Chris here. So today I'm doing a video on my fuel polishing setup. So this setup, I got some ideas from online, some ideas from myself, and just looking it up on YouTube and Google. And I figured this is probably the best setup for filtering used diesel at home. So this diesel came from an underground tank, 275 gallon underground tank for free. And it definitely was cloudy, dirty, was in definite need of filtration. So I'll tell you the setup. So this is a drill pump from Harbor Freight. Now this is technically not rated for fuel, but it is a water pump. 17 bucks each. I mounted it to this board so I can transport it pretty easily. Probably could figure out a better solution, but this is what I got going for right now. I got a cordless drill to power that. This cordless drill, I've gotten it to do around 50 gallons and it's still at half battery. So definitely 2 or 3 batteries, you're good. So first thing I'm running is a Goldenrod 2 micron extreme block water separator fuel filter. So this is the first step in the process. This is going to filter it down so no rust particles, debris, or anything like that is going to get in your diesel and cause problems. So here you are. You could drain it at the bottom. Replaceable filter. Then I'm running a standard 10 micron fuel filter after that to filter it even further. So any of that didn't pick up, that picked up. Again, replaceable canister filter. 10 bucks on Amazon, maybe 10-15 bucks. This is about a $20 filter. Then I have it, so this is 3/4 pipe to 3/4. And then I'm running this R12T, saw this online. I'm running this another water separator. So this is the final step, just to make sure anything that got through that stuff will end up in here. This is 3/8 line, I believe. So it's reduced from 3/4 to 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch to 3/8. Then I have the line running down to a 5-gallon pail. I'm just using standard garden hose. It's a lot longer than what it should be because that's to go into an underground tank or above ground tank. But same idea. I'm just using this setup on a bench. Yeah, so I'll show you how this works. So I don't really go too hard with this. See, it's going through there. Going through there. And now for a 5-gallon pail, I'll do this for about 5 to 10 minutes. Go a little fast if you like. You don't want to go too fast because it could burn out your pump or damage the fuel filters, but a good pace is good. And after about 5 to 10 minutes, this fuel will be crystal clear. For red diesel, that is. If you were using regular diesel, it would be clear straight through. Another thing I would recommend doing if the fuel has been sitting for a while is I put a additive in there to bring the cetane up, as well as to restore clarity, get rid of any algae. You can use BioClean. It's expensive, but you don't have to use a lot. I use clear diesel from Power Service. I just do 1 ounce in there and that's it. So yeah, I'll see if I could post pictures of the results of maybe before and after, but yeah, thanks for watching.